Hello developers, welcome back to .NET Ramana. I am going to tell you a truth most tutorials hide in YouTube. If you are learning front-end development in 2025 and you don't understand React.js, you are already behind. Not because React is trending, but because the web itself changed. So now confusion trigger, right? Let's do that. What is that confusion? Angular, React, frameworks, libraries, everyone shows code. Nobody explains why React was created. Why does Facebook feel instant? Why no page reload? Why Angular feels heavy? The answer is hidden inside one word, DOM. What is the DOM and all we'll discuss in this tutorial. Okay? In the next 20 minutes, you will understand what reactjs really is, why DOM was a problem, why Facebook created React versus Angular, what is the difference and truth, and we will build React live in Visual Studio Code from zero, no skipping. Okay, let's start at the root. First, what is React.js? React.js is a JavaScript library used to build user interfaces for web applications. User interfaces. Important clarification you should understand. React focuses only on the UI layer. Only on the UI layer. It does not handle routing, backend, or database. So this React is created by the Facebook, now Meta, used for single page applications, SPA, single page applications. Key lines you should remember: React does one thing, updating the UI efficiently, and it does it better than anything else. Okay, now you understand what is React. Now we will understand what is the DOM. DOM means document object model. Simple meaning, when the browser loads HTML, it converts into a tree structure in memory. Okay, so you can see on the screen like hello click. Hello is the H1, click is the button route. Browser stores this as a DOM nodes. Which nodes? DOM nodes. The problem with the normal DOM, if any small changes happen, like button clicks, the browser rebuilds the large parts of the DOM. So due to that, slow, heavy, bad for large applications. Right? Facebook had a millions of users. DOM updates become a nightmare. Correct? So then how React solves the DOM problem? Let's see that. Okay. So React solved this DOM problem by introducing the virtual DOM. Virtual DOM, remember that. What is virtual DOM? A lightweight copy of real DOM stored in JavaScript memory. A lightweight copy of real DOM stored in JavaScript memory. How React thinks now? Any changes happens, virtual DOM update. Old versus new compared, only change part updated in React DOM. So one liner how we can say React doesn't repaint the whole house. It only fixes the broken switch. Understand? Where is the React used in real world? Very good. Very things. React is not a theory. It's runs real companies. Example, real applications. If you see Facebook, if you keep the likes, likes count will increase, comments count will increase. It don't reload the page, right? Instagram, infinite scrolling. If you keep on scrolling, videos are coming. How it is coming? By using this React. Smooth scrolling. That is called smooth scrolling. Netflix, UI rendering. How looks very beautiful Netflix. Okay. WhatsApp web, real-time updates. Real-time updates. If someone send message, immediately it will comes, right? That is what. Uber dashboards. If you see Uber application, the dashboard looks very beautiful. Any fast, smooth web app, React is usually behind it. Okay, remember that. Now we will see the difference between Angular versus reactjs. Okay, you can see on the screen also. So if you see type feature, so reactjs is a library, Angular is the framework. So learning purpose, React is very easy, Angular is a little hard. Okay, language వచ్చేసి so reactjs is javascript and Angular is a TypeScript. So DOM, okay, it is virtual DOM. That virtual DOM will convert wherever required as a real DOM, but Angular is always real DOM. That is virtual DOM is the very good feature in the React.js. Flexibility, high flexibility, strict. This one, Angular. Code less, Angular more. So that's why Angular is powerful but heavy. React is lightweight and flexible. Okay, remember that. So current version of React.js, if you see, right, current we have 19.2 something, but stable version you can take React 18. Okay. So faster rendering, better performance, modern features. So version changes, logic never does. Okay. You always remember that. Why you need to run, sorry, what you need to run React, you need only two things, Node.js. So Node.js should be installed, that is LTS, and Visual Studio Code. As a .NET developers, we will use Visual Studio Code. Okay. Now we will see the practically by Visual Studio Code how we can create a one React application. Okay. Let's go for the Visual Studio Code. Okay, now I open the Visual Studio Code. What I am going to is, I am going to terminal. I already in the terminal. Okay, so or else you can go here terminal, new terminal you can click and it will come like this. Okay, now we are going to create our first React app. Before that, we need to install Node.js. I have already that Node.js. That's why I am not installing. If you want, you can install that through their official Node.js website. I will show you. For Windows, I'm clicking, but you can, based on your OS, you can select on this. Okay, which one you want. My system is Windows, that's why I selected Windows. Don't change this everything and all. Let it be npm only. Okay, and you can change here while downloading also. Okay. So you can install this anywhere, like you can do that, or you can directly come here based on changing this and you can install here. Okay, MSI. So with this, it will install Node.js and as well as npm. Okay, remember this. So I already installed, that's why I given only steps. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to create React.js app. How we can create npx space, okay, create React app space React slash app. Okay, let me click enter. So need to install the following package. Why? Give why. It is asking to proceed. See, wow, creating a new React app, installing couple of minutes. So it will take the couple of minutes because first time we are doing, right. So it will take some time to do this activity. You always remember that. Meanwhile, observe this and take a break and drink the water. Even I am drinking the water. Learning the React is very easy, guys. You follow my channel, you will get good idea, very good idea about this. So how we can do React.js step by step. React.js I am going to teach in our channel. ASP.NET Core I am going to teach. Okay. And also Azure we are going to, and microservices we are going to, Azure SQL we are going to do. Everything we are covering that. Okay. So that's why you will learn everything step by step with our channel. If you are coming as a alone for this channel, share with your friends, subscribe and do that. Okay. Happy hacking, guys. Our React app is created. So now where we can see that React app. Okay. Let me cd React slash app. Right. Right. Now React app we are there. Okay. Now we need to open this, right? Where it is created, here only you can see that. So C drive users Ramana. So I'm going here, C drive users Raman. What is the app name? React app. Whether it is created or not, guys, tell me. Whether it is created or not created, right? So just select the folder. Wow. Just I trust the author. That's it. So our React.js app is created. Our React app is created. Let's go for, so what we can do is we will see this folders. First public src. Okay. First we will see index.js. Okay. This is the entry point. This is entry point, main entry point. Okay. I will explain you next tutorials about this, how we can do everything. Okay. Leave it. Next app.js. This is the main UI. Okay. Main UI. Next to we can see app.css. This is the styling. This is for the styles, whatever styles. Okay. React live inside components. Okay. React lives inside components. App.js is the heart. You always remember that. App.js is the heart of the React.js. Okay. Now, so what we do is I'm deleting this completely. Okay. Or we can run first. Let me run this. Okay. New terminal. Okay. What I am going to do is npm install. Okay. Let's see that. Okay. I am running this one. Okay. Next what I'm doing, npm run div or npm start also you can use. Okay. Error. Okay. Missing script div. So what I do is npm start. So npm start it will be. So allow. Okay. Let me go to the, wow, React is generated or not? Our app, first app. So where is the okay? Now what I am going to is, instead of this, right? I am doing my own code that I copied here. Okay, Control A. I created this. Okay, from import React. I will explain everything. Don't worry. In the next tutorials, just we are creating one project. I am deleting everything. I am pasting this. Okay, I am saving this. Now let me refresh. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, refresh is done. So refresh is done. So now what we can do that is, okay, I am stopping this and okay, I am closing this. Okay, so now again for getting that, control C, npm install. Okay, now npm start. Let's see that. Okay, okay, practice. So it is created. So this is the way we create our first. So these things and all I will explain in the next video. Don't worry. Everything, how React we installed, everything. So you got it right. How we can create our first React.js applications. Okay. Now you always remember that whatever use state is right, it stores data. Use state, anything if you do the brackets like this, right, it stores the data. Count is there, right? Count. So it will be the what is that? So you can refer this. So this count is what JSX binding, JavaScript binding. Button updates the UI. So this button will update the UI without reload page. So most asked React interview questions is what is React JS, what is the DOM, what is virtual DOM, why React is fast, what is JSX, okay, what is a component, what is state, what is pops, React versus regular, what is SPA. So these all things we will discuss going forward. Okay. If you understand the video, you can clean most React interviews. Okay. So now you don't just write React code. You understand React. Like, subscribe, comment, React. Next video we will see real projects, API integration, job level structure, project level structure, everything end to end. Thank you, friends. Thank you all.